Today we'll talk about how can you disable talk button app on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on options. Come to next step here, then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. You come to next step here, come here to talk button up, click in this sign. Then it's going to show for us like this here. That's mean it's disabled with us now here, talk button up. So that's all you have to do to disable it. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. So don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.